This is a short video of how to set up the rollover crate. First of all, pull the pin, slide out the arm and replace the pin. Next then, how to adjust the side of the rollover crate for turning up sheep. Just bring it up halfway. You remove the pin underneath, catch top and bottom and adjust it in or out. The head end needs to be 1 or 2 holes narrower than the tail end of the sheep. Replace the pin, drop her back down. Now to turn over a sheep, the clamp comes down on top of the sheep, so you push it in tight and clamp it down. The sheep has to be free. Okay, and then turn the sheep over, wind the winch. Pretty fast. You just bring it up to your own height. So it's just right at your height there. The feet are out about 8 or 9 inches. And that's it then. If you want to lamb a difficult Joe, she can be lambed at that height as well. And you were standing standing up straight doing it. Okay. So you can just wind the winch back down again. It's a brake winch. So she's back down to where we started. And as you can see, the head end has to be, which is this end here, has to be 1 or 2 notches narrower than the tail end. Otherwise the front portion of the sheep can slip down through. Okay. There's also a clamp on the end gate here. If you want to dag sheep, bring them in from this end. It holds their head there while you're dagging them outside the rollover crate. Okay. So that's it. Oh, sorry. The bar here at the end is if you are dosing sheep. If you're dosing sheep, lift up the top bar. The pad rests against your side, and you can. Your dosing guns fit here, and you can hang your dosing bag up here at the top of the pole. And you just push it in and out with your side as the sheep come in, and it'll hold. If you're dosing small sheep, the top part adjusts back to give it more space to get down to the sheep. That's it.